Welcome to Woodcut Tech. Today, you will witness the most powerful giant chainsaws, operating at incredible speeds, cutting down giant trees with precision and efficiency. Power, speed, and cutting-edge technology, it's all in this video. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how people can move a giant tree without killing it? The secret lies in specialized tree transplanting machines with massive shovel-like blades that gently embrace the roots, lift the entire tree, and transport it to a new location. This process is not only quick and efficient, but also ensures the tree stays healthy after relocation. It's truly impressive how modern technology helps humans protect nature in such a delicate way. Mach-Bus Max is a powerful wood chipper equipped with a high-performance J engine, ready to devour branches, large logs, and dense brush in seconds. Its high-speed rotating blades, combined with intelligent feed technology, transform all types of wood into uniform chips, perfect for recycling or biomass fuel. Not only is it powerful, but it also saves time and boosts wood processing efficiency. A must-have machine for every modern wood processing facility. This machine operates like a giant wielding unstoppable power in the heart of nature. Its drill bores deep into the earth, each rotation like the heartbeat of a colossal steel beast. Then suddenly it lifts, yanking the entire tree root from the ground as effortlessly as pulling a loose tooth. It's astonishing how technology can transform heavy labor into a spectacle of raw power and precision, like a dance of strength and finesse. If tree stumps are the stubborn warriors of the land, then ATV is the relentless predator. With razor-sharp steel claws, it lunges forward, clamps down, and rips through the earth, yanking the toughest roots out like an eagle snatching its prey. No more backbreaking hours of digging, just one press of the throttle, and obstacles are obliterated in seconds. The perfect fusion of power, speed, and precision turns every operation into a breathtaking mechanical spectacle. You won't believe your eyes when Baco 903 joins forces with Pecan FGT 9021. With 305 horsepower roaring like a beast, this machine charges into dense vegetation, shredding thick canopies and pulverizing roots in the blink of an eye. What took years to grow is reduced to dust in mere seconds. The sheer speed, power, and devastation it unleashes will leave you absolutely stunned. If you found this performance impressive, don't forget to like and drop a comment below. Which moment amazed you the most? Let me know. When a mechanical wood saw combines with an automated logistics system, it operates like a whirlwind of steel and power. No more exhausting lifting and hauling. Each log is fed in, precisely processed to the millimeter, and neatly output in the blink of an eye. The speed, power, and perfection of this process will leave you in awe. This isn't just machinery, it's a true wood-destroying beast. This isn't just a log splitter, it's a productivity powerhouse. With a dual-blade symmetrical design, it processes wood twice as fast as conventional machines, turning tough logs into neat pieces in the blink of an eye. Its powerful pressing force, combined with a precise cutting angle, ensures smooth splitting without jamming the blades. Maximum efficiency, minimal effort, the perfect solution for those who want to conquer every log with ease. This isn't just a machine, it's proof of limitless creativity. In the hands of skilled craftsmen, ordinary components are transformed into a powerful device that operates just as smoothly as machines worth thousands of dollars. It's not just engineering, it's an art where knowledge, experience, and passion come together to create something extraordinary. Destructive power, optimized design. This tree stump remover is like a giant, equipped with an ultra-powerful hydraulic system and massive pulling force, ready to uproot even the toughest stumps in seconds. No more back-breaking digging, just one operation, and everything is cleared effortlessly. This is the ultimate weapon for land clearing, forest cleanup, and site preparation. RT400, a steel storm that shatters all limits. When it comes to absolute power and maximum performance, nothing compares to the RT400. This colossal machine charges forward like a beast, obliterating dense vegetation in the blink of an eye, turning the toughest jobs into effortless tasks. It doesn't just clear forests or level the ground, it dominates every challenge with unmatched force. This isn't just a machine, it's raw power forged in steel. A centuries-old tree stump versus a massive truck. Who will emerge victorious? This isn't just a battle of raw pulling power. It's the ultimate test of mechanical advantage, grip, and the resilience of roots anchored deep in the earth. Will the steel beast conquer nature, or will the tree stump stand its ground like an undefeated warrior Gravithani? Get ready for an intense showdown.
We're going to turn it into a wooden rocket.
The long-dead tree on private land has been safely taken down for firewood. Due to the dangers of using a chainsaw, we used explosives, an effective method for removing old or damaged trees. This process not only ensures safety, but also demonstrates the feasibility of this specialized technique. However, this is a highly skilled task. Do not attempt it without proper experience. Have you ever walked through a field full of stubborn tree stumps, looking like an eyesore? Don't worry, Woodcracker R900 is here to save the day. This powerful machine quickly uproots those pesky stumps, turning them into valuable biomass. In no time, the ground becomes smooth and clean, ready for any upcoming project. No more tripping hazards, just a perfect landscape waiting for you. When steel faces off against nature, who will prevail? The cat roars, unleashing its immense power on the stubborn tree stump, yet it refuses to budge. Dirt flies, engines scream, a thrilling battle between machinery and untamed nature. Will this metal beast admit defeat, or will it crush everything in its path? Witness this epic showdown unfold.
И дървото корал, ма и трактора корал.
Imagine a massive tree stump, something that would normally take hours to remove. But with just one press, the deeper SC850 Pro pulverizes it into mulch in an instant. A perfect blend of raw power and surgical precision, operating like the hands of a master surgeon. No more stubborn stumps, no more wasted time and effort. This isn't just a machine, it's the future of stump removal, where technology turns the impossible into reality. You're witnessing a machine that can clear an entire dense forest in the blink of an eye. FA Biomass Harvester doesn't just cut, it pulverizes everything in its path, turning vegetation into biomass on the spot. With a high-performance cutting head and an optimized processing system, it completely eliminates the need for transportation, significantly reducing costs. This isn't just a machine. It's a revolution in land management, turning massive challenges into effortless tasks. The industrial wood chipper, a colossal machine with incredible power, transforming massive logs into thousands of tiny wood chips in an instant. Every step, from conveyor belts to wood collection, is executed with pinpoint precision, maximizing efficiency. The processed material is then repurposed into paper, sawdust, wood pellets, and organic fertilizer, playing a vital role in multiple industries. This isn't just a machine. It's a crucial link in the sustainable recycling chain, ensuring the most efficient use of natural resources. The TA-20 wood drill, the perfect machine for sharp, precise drill holes. Whether working with hardwood or softwood, the TA-20 effortlessly cuts through with its high-strength drill bits and powerful motor. Every hole is clean, smooth, and flawless, ensuring top-quality results. Its smart design maximizes efficiency, saving time while maintaining absolute accuracy. If you're looking for a professional drilling solution, the TA-20 is the ultimate choice. You're witnessing a machine with terrifying power, fast, fierce, and extremely dangerous. Created by a master of engineering in metalworking, it's not just efficient, but capable of launching wood with incredible force. Logs fly far, crashing down with immense impact, delivering a truly powerful spectacle. This isn't just a machine. This is the raw force of technology unleashed. Watch this wood splitter in action, a masterpiece of modern engineering. Designed to run at 100% engine power, it's not just powerful but also maximizes efficiency, allowing you to split wood faster and easier than ever. The dual drive system, combining electric and gasoline engines, delivers outstanding performance, ensuring durability in any conditions. If you're looking to maximize output and cut down working time, this is truly a game-changing innovation. A groundbreaking design, an unmissable machine. What do you think of this incredible creation? That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. See you next time.
Ось такий апарат получився.